you. Happy birthday.
It's going down, I'm yelling timber. You better move, you better dance. Let's make a night you won't remember. I'll be the one you won't forget. Ooh,
diggity dog. I have them like Miley Cyrus, clothes off, twerking in their bras and thongs. Timber. Face down, booty up. Timber. That's the way we like the world. Timber. I'm sicker than an oil spill. She say she won't, but I bet she will. Timber. Swing your partner round and round, and then the night is going down. One more shot, another round, and then the night is going down. Swing your partner round and round, and then the night is going down. One more shot, another round, and then the night is going down.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move, you better dance. Let's make a night you won't remember. I'll be the one you won't forget. It's going down, I'm yelling timber. You better move, you better dance. Let's make a night you won't remember. I'll be the one you won't forget.
Club jumping like LeBron now. Hold it, order me another round. Homie, we about to clown. Why? Cause it's about to go down. Swing your partner round and round, and then the night is going down. One more shot, another round, and then the night is going down. Swing your partner round and round, and then the night is going down. One more shot, another round, and then the night is going down.
It's going down, I'm yelling timber. You better move, you better dance. Let's make a night you won't remember. I'll be the one you won't forget. It's going down, I'm yelling timber.
Sa lahat ng guests, tayo po tayong lahat at sabay-sabay natin i-welcome si Hero. From Jollibee sa Bateron Drive-Thru! Please welcome the proud parents, Mami Glyza, Daddy Nelson, and Kuya Cross. At sabay-sabay natin palakpakan ang ating birthday boy na si Hero! short interview. Alright, my name is Kuya JM and together with my co-host Ate Jesu, Kuya Gabriel, and Kuya RJ. This time, parinig po ako na isang malakas na palakpakan! Ma'am Liza, kamusta po ang araw ninyo?
How's your day, ma'am?
Eto, super happy. Enjoy.
Palakpakan natin si Ma'am Liza. Kung ganyan kaka-fresh, hindi ka makakahapin. Ayan, si Daddy. Ano po madalas yun banding ni Hero kapag kayo po ay magkasama?
Dede time. Mahilig ka siya mag-dede kay mommy.
Super sweet.
Palakpakan naman natin si Mami. Napaka-sweet naman. Sir Nelson, isang mainit na welcome message lang po sa lahat ng guests na nandito po at nag-spend ng time para makapunta po sila dito.
First of all po, thank you kay God kasi after 1 year, last year, nung bilang anak si Hero, medyo nag-iisip pa kami kung kakayanin pa ba namin yung pangalawa. Pero sa ngayon, feeling ko kaya pa naman namin tuwatlo. Hindi, dalawa lang okay na siguro kami. Thank you sa lahat na pumunta, sa mga family namin, friends, lalo sa mga taga-Soler na malayo pa, nag-ground pa, pumunta rito. Thank you sa effort nyo. Sana mag-enjoy tayo lahat sa birthday ni Hero. Thank you.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin si Dad.
Thank you sa inyo lahat. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. Salamat sa mga family and friends na nandito. And wish ko na kayo, happy kayo at mag-enjoy. At sana mabusog kayo.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin si Mami. Sabi po ni Mami sa akin kanina dito, bago daw po kayo pumunta sa aming function room ay meron po siyang itinabong sticker ang nakalagay po na ng Happy First Birthday Hero. Sa unang mga pagdadala sa kanya magkakaroon ng Cadbury! First birthday. At para sa ating first item to bring kama si Jesu. Mini game po tayo with the twist. Ito po ay madalas ginagamit ni Mami Liza pampamula ng labi at pisines. Tama yan. Kapag sinabi ko pong itakbo nyo, itakbo nyo na yan. Let's go! Alright, ang dami mo na. Alright, wait lang po. Thank you so much at the end for the next item to bring. Ito po ay ginagamit tuwing umaambon or matinig ang araw. Kailangan namin ay katulang po. At syempre para sa ating last item to bring, ito ay madalas ginagamit ng karamihan pampasikip ng pantalon or short. Let's go! Parang dami ka ba mananahi? Sorry for clarity. So sabi nga ni Jollibee, what's a party without a game? Kaya naman sa lahat ng kids, lapit na dito sa harap tayo maglalaro po tayo. Let's go! Alright kids! Para sa ating mechanics ng game, kailangan nyo lang po mag-collect ng points or barya ng Mami Daddy, Ate, Kuya, Lolo, or Lola. Paramihan po tayo dito at ilalagay sa ating wishing well, the more barya, the more chances na manalo. Timer starts now!
With a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is
Para sa ating next activity, tatawagin natin itong My Jollibee. Pass the magic balloons.
And I'm homesick, too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the taxi man turned on the radio and a Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Out in my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah.
Mami and Daddy at Insa Girls. Lahat ng kulay pink na makikita nyo po ay kukunin nyo po. Ayan yung team, paalala lang po. Bawal po game prizes, party hats, balloon. Lahat lang po dapat nasa bag mo. Parang ingat po tayo dito. Timer starts now.
Cause all I see is the letter. I guess I never got the memo. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. It's when the DJ dropped my favorite tune. And the Britney song was on. And the Britney song was on. And the Britney song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Nodding in my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Put my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Feel like I've been on a flight back to my hometown tonight. Something stops me every time. The DJ plays my song and I feel alright. So I put my hands up to play.
Sample lang po muna. Bato, pick! Ayan, sino panalo dyan? Ikaw panalo. Ako po wala, sample ka lang yun. Sample pa lamang po yung tao dyan. Tutuhanin na natin. Bato, pick! Sinong panalo? Panalo? Ayan, wala na natin sa inyo. Stay lang kayo dyan muna. Talo ka? Panalo. Kayo muna. Bato, pick! I'm so sorry na. Ayan. Bato, pick!
It's a party in the USA. Yeah. It's a party in the USA.
John Paul.
Let's jump. This one right here. All right. It's for all the ladies. Ladies, you want to take it back?
Don't say it.
Holla at him, Jay.
I've been thinking about you and how we used to be then. Back when we didn't have to end. We can start again. There's nothing left to say. It's always another day. Just you and me tonight. Everything will be okay. If it's alright.
Pag sinabi ko kong
Let's take this time.
tama po yung gagawin natin pati yung action, pati yung sigaw. Pag sinabi kong hooray. Pag sinabi kong cup, tsaka po natin pupunin yung cup. Paramihan po tayo ng cup punto. First 3 points, sila po yung mananalo. For example, doon natin hooray! 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 Let's go! Pagtaas po muna yung cup.
Yo, Jay, sing to these ladies.
So long since you've been missing. It's good to see you again. How you doing? And how about we don't let this happen again? There's nothing left to say. It's always another day. Just you and me tonight. Everything will be okay. If it's alright with you, then it's alright with me. Baby, let's take this time. Let's make new memories. Do you remember?
Time when you and me had just begun, when I was still your number one. Well, it might seem far-fetched, baby girl, but it can't be done. I got this feeling, fire blazing, and it hot just like the sun. Know you feel it too, my girl, just breathe, don't make the good vibes run. Girl, take a sip of the champagne, take a little trip down my lane, my girl. Wilding out every night, I will feel alright. I can tell you this, girl, that's my world. Not change, I'm not rearrange, hey girl, I'ma tell you this straight, that's my word. I'm here, say you want come kiss this girl, cause you missed it, that's what I heard. That's what I heard. That's what I heard. Word, girl.
There's nothing left to say. It's always another day. Hey, 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 hey. alongside the man J.R.A. Yaga, oh. I said I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo. Yeah, we used to be a team, running the streets, yeah, we was living out our dream, oh. You used to be my brother, I was your provider, and now we separated in two, oh. Baby, you left and sailed away alone, yeah, alone. And now you got me trapped up on this island where nowhere to get home. And I don't wanna go, I don't wanna go, I don't want it down low, I don't want it down low. I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo, cause I was so high and now I'm so low, and I don't wanna walk around alone solo. I said I don't want to
Game start.
Manila, ako ay nananabik, mabaliw-baliw ako sa kanyang mga halik. Okay na hindi matiwasan na mamita, sabi-sabi pero pag namin nakita aking panggigilan dito siya.
Anong pangalan mo, sir?
I'm Nelson.
Nelson from?
Caloocan.
From? Pangalan mo?
I'm
Roy from?
Nabalites.
Alex,
Sa isa
sir,
muna.
anong pangalan mo?
Jay.
Jay, taga saan?
QC. QC!
Si attorney, what's your name, sir?
Jeric.
Jeric, taga saan si Sir Jeric?
Bulacan. Diba? Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kids, wait lang kids! Opo muna tayo po. That's right, bumalik ka doon. Kids, opo muna tayo dahil and our beloved best friend is welcome. Sorry, Dean. Tinatawagan ko po si Mami, Daddy, Kuya Ross at ang ating birthday boy na si Kiro dito sa para sa ating family picture together with best friend Jolly. Alright, picture taking muna tayo together with
Tulog na lang ang hinihintay buong linggo. Papalapit-lapit, di na makapit. Dahil nandyan na ang araw na ako'y mabubusog, mabubusog sa saya. Ang ligaya ay walang asawa. Sasakay ng bisikleta kasama. Yayayay si Mama Papa. Enjoy lang, check enjoy.
nandito na nakausap. Let's go.
Sa camera, Johnny gets in 1, 2, 3. Smile. One more isang Rocky pose naman po dyan. Rocky pose in 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you so much for the table. And now next tayo for Regine. Okay. First to first na.
Alright, jump shot naman po. Ayun sa table tayo ng kinamara.
Thank you so much. In 1, 2, 3. Walking naman daw sa 1, 2, 3. Ayun, hindi tayo sa likod. Ready na po.
And patuloy yung mga mas
gumaganda ang mundo when you share the joy, gumagaan kahit ano. When you share the joy, lahat tayo nagiging pamilya. When you share the joy, share the joy, joy ng Jollibee, ipasa na darating. Share the joy, share the joy, mas gumaganda ang mundo when you share the joy, gumagaan kahit ano. When you share the joy, Jay Sean,
2, 0, 1, 2.
Nicki Minaj.
Yeah, it's alright. Oh, it's alright. You know what they say. Life ain't always easy, and every day we're survivors. So forget the day. It's all about tonight. Act a fool and start a riot, but riot be a rebel. Bottles popping till we can't stand. We keep it rocking till 6 a.m. New York to London, over to Japan. Turn it up, mash it up. We're gonna party like it's the end of the world. We're gonna party like it's 2012. You know that it doesn't matter as long as we got each other. Turn it up, mash it up. It ain't the end of the world. We're gonna live like it's the end of the world. Gonna party like. Turn it up, mash it up. It ain't the end of the world.
Similes, metaphors, and we pop pills. Sick flow, inundated with the dog pills. Work hard, now we know how to top bills. In the middle of the street doing cartwheels. Lot of them try to do it, but it's not real. Wasn't a rapper, then I could've got a pop deal. White curls and the hot pink Hot Wheels. Lot of bottles and a lot of fruity cocktails. Days of our lives. You wink, it goes by. So we'll just get it with no edits or anything goes slow. No time for closed minds. And free my little Weezy. And let's just get right. Young money, cash money in the building. Let's go, the world ends tonight.
Have a drink with me, and let's make tonight go down in history. In history, yeah, let's play make-believe. It's the last 24 hours, and this whole world is ours eternally. Hey, bottles popping till we can't stand. Keep it rocking till 6 a.m. New York to London, over to Japan. Turn it up, mash it up. We're gonna party like.
to the beach, each, let's go get away. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it down. The sound, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all my money and don't give a shit. I'm on the floor, floor. I love to dance, so give me more, more. Till I can't stand it. On the floor, floor. Like it's your last chance. If you want more, more, then here I am. Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky.
Nagyayaya ang ngiti, di na nga mapakali. Halika na, tara na, doon na nga ang punta.
Labas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa.
Ganyan ang feeling kapag bida ang saya.
Dito tayo, Crispylicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, Juicylicious sa saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. Dito lahat ay idol, dito lahat bida. Pinagsamang saya't sarap, sige na, sayaw na.
Labas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling kapag bida ang saya.
Dito tayo, Crispylicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, Juicylicious sa saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. Dito tayo, Crispylicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, Juicylicious sa saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, bida ang saya.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon, i-share ang joy ng Jollibee dahil maganda ang mundo.
Sabay-sabay po nating babatiin si Kiro ng happy birthday and 1, 2, 3 and go! Happy birthday! Ayan, bago daw po i-blow ni Kiro ang kanyang birthday candle, ay magbibigay po muna ng wish ang kanyang beautiful, yes, sexy, artista here, yes, at balakangin at kutis porcelana. Walang iba ko din si Mami Liza. Alright, Mami Liza, ano pong birthday wish mo for kay Kiro?
Birthday wish ko kay Kiro, sana lumaki siyang mabait, mapagmahal, at syempre magkaroon ng takot sa Panginoon and maging matalinong bata. Yun lang. At lagi siyang healthy. Hindi lang siya, pati ang kanyang kuya. At siyempre kami at tayong lahat. Maraming salamat.
Sweet naman. Siyempre, magpapatalo ba ang kanyang macho? Yes. Guapito? Yes. At take note, with 6 packs abs, katulad ni Popo, Yum, and Jollibee. Kaya naman, Daddy Nelson, anong birthday wish mo para kay Kiro?
For Kiro, ang wish ko, isa lang naman yung maging successful sa life. Magtulungan sila ni Kuya Crossy, kasi iba yung love ng magkapatid. Yun lang. Sana maging successful tayo lahat. Thank you.
Palakpakan naman natin si Daddy. Ayan si Kuya Cross. Ayan Kuya Cross.
Lumaki siya po pogi.
Katulad Nino.
Katulad ko.
Wow! Bilang ko ng tatlo, i-blow niyo po ng sabay-sabay yung candle ni Hero. And 1, 2, 3, and blow the candle. And 20. How many birthday wishes do you have? You got 2 birthday wishes. Ang arte ng tumitoy. Para sa ating first birthday wish, na sana si Hero ay lumaking bata. Pak! Guwapo! Pak! Macho! At take note with 6-pack abs katulad ni Daddy at ni Kuya Chris. And second birthday wish?
And for the second wish naman, na sana si Kiro ay lumaking bata, hindi, at hindi, at lalong hindi, matigas ang ulo, katulad Nino.
Bakit niya ako tinuturo? Matigas ang ulo mo daw?
Si ano?
Iba yung tinuturo mo sa baba. And sino susunod sa inyo? Yam! Volunteer yan! Alright, Yam, how many birthday wishes do you have? You got 1, 2, 8. You got 2 birthday wishes.
And for the first wish, na sana si Kiro ay lumaking bata, matalino, nag-aaral ng mabuti para maabot ang pangarap sa buhay.
Our last birthday wish for Yam, na sana si Kiro ay lumaking batang madasalin at may pananalig sa Diyos.
Nanginginig na yan, hindi may pananalig.
Alright, Hetty, it's her turn. Ayan, Hetty, paano nga ulit yung paghampas ng buhok?
Paano?
Ang tanong ng bayan, nagsuklay ka ba?
Nagsuklay ka ba?
How many birthday wishes do you have? You got 2 birthday wishes din. Para sa ating first birthday wish.
For the first wish, na sana si Kiro ay lumaking bata.
May malaking buso. Kina Mami, Daddy, kay Kuya Cross, at sa ating lahat. And for our second birthday wish, na sana si Kiro ay lumaking batang mapera, limpak-limpak, mapagbigay kila Mami, Daddy, at sa ating lahat. How many birthday wishes do you have? You got 1, 2 birthday wishes. Para sa ating first birthday wish,
Na sana si Kiro ay lumaking bata. Ay, ano yun?
Pak, malayo ang marating sa buhay.
Malayo.
Basketballista nga eh, diba? Malayong marating sa buhay. At maabot ang pangarap. For our second birthday wish, na sana si Kiro ay lumaking batang pinagpala ng may kapal. Paano yung pagpikit? Ganon. Ang tanong ng bayan, how many birthday wishes do you have? You got? Wala?
Wala ka na. Itabos na.
Kasabi na naman. How many birthday wishes do you have? You got 2 birthday wishes. Para sa ating first birthday wish, na sana si Kiro ay lumaking batang down to earth. Ano yun? Ano daw natin, Jesus? Okay, I gets na. Dito lang daw po kakain at magbo-birthday. And for our last birthday wish, ayan, na sana si Kiro ay lumaking batang always be happy and jolly, just like her bibong-bibong, na si Yam, Twirly, Popo, Hetty, and Jollibee.
tita at ang mga friends at taga-Soler. And syempre, Lagong Bayan and Mero family, thank you so much po sa ulitin.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin si Mami. At syempre, Daddy, any additional message po?
Thank you lang po sa lahat, sa friends and family na pumunta, lalo sa staff ng Jollibee, na naging successful yung first birthday ni Hero. Sana tuloy-tuloy, sa susunod ulit. Thank you.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin si
Forget
Daddy.
to Lisa's family, thank you so much. Ate Jay, Ate Jack, and Chloe, thank you. And kay Papa Nestor na wala dito, thank you rin po.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Mami at si Daddy. Ayan, si Hero, hindi po magiging memorable at happy ang birthday ni Hero sa Jollibee. So, happy, pretty, and young. Alright, Mami and Daddy, dito pa kayo sa gitna po. Po, Mami and Daddy, kami rin po ay nagpapasalamat dahil dito niyo po napili celebrate ang birthday ni Hero. Actually, this is my second time to host. Dalawang slot po kasi yung ginawa nila Ma'am and Sir po. 2 to 4, 5 to 7 po. At syempre, nag-iwan ng isang katala kapag mahal mo ang anak mo. Ipara Jollibee! Kids party mo dahil sa Jollibee. Always be ang saya at ang sarap maging pamilya. Ano po tayo pag-uwi. Ayan, pwede po natin iuwi yung balikong stick, yung mga nakasabit po dyan sa harap nyo. Huwag lang po. Sa lahat ng guests po, bago po tayo mauwi ng ating function dito.
Hintay ka lang, Jollibee.